Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error 409 in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome. Click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all cited on permissions. And in search you just need to type the site you're getting this error. I'm getting this error in this site. Select the trash icon and select delete option. After doing it, on left side select extensions and turn off all the extensions you have. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2 is to change the browser because the problem may in the Chrome. So you can use Edge as an alternative to Chrome. Method 3, you can turn on mobile hotspot or USB triggering, then connect to that network and your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.